Permutations. Permutations is an arrangement of items where order matters. To solve permutation, we're going to have P and then M and N. M is going to stand for the total number of items, and N stands for the number that's being selected. The way we read this would be a permutation of M choose N. Now there's different situations that are always going to be permutations, and I'm going to give you a little cheat sheet with that. Remember, a permutation is when order matters. When you are standing in line or in a row, it matters if you're first or if you're last. Same with a race or a competition. It makes a big difference if you make first, second, or third place at the Olympics or don't place at all. When you write a word or a number, if you do not put the letters in the correct spot or the numbers in the correct spot, you would not make the correct word, or if it's a phone number, dial the right person. And arranging items on a shelf. Now I know this might seem where order does not matter, but it's the different types of arrangements. Not so much is it important to you, but arranging them differently matters. So, how many ways can 7 people stand in a line? Standing in a line is a permutation. So we're going to put P. We have 7 total people, and 7 of them need a spot. So this is going to be 7 choose 7. Never ever, never ever take these two numbers and multiply them together. You're going to want to do it, but it would be wrong. What you do instead is you start with the back number and you make that many spaces to represent each one of the spots in line. Then you take the front number and you start counting backwards until you fill all of those spaces. There are 7 possible people that could stand in the first spot, but whoever gets the first spot can't stand in the second spot, so there's only 6 possible people, and so on. Multiply these together. And you get 5,040 different ways these 7 people can stand in a line. There are 10 people in a race. How many ways can first, second, and third place be awarded? Again, this is a competition. It matters if you get first, second, or third place. So permutation, 10 total people, and 3 of them are going to get an award. So this is 10 choose 3. Again, do not multiply 10 and 3 together. Instead, 3 spaces for first, second, and third. 10 people could possibly win first, but whoever wins first cannot get second, so there's only 9, and whoever gets second cannot get third. Multiply together, and there are 720 different ways first, second, and third place can be awarded.